Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install the water filter on your GE refrigerator. Now, the removal and installation of the water filter does not require any special tools, but it may be handy to have a couple of glasses handy when you need to purge the air out of it. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. The main reason you're going to be looking to remove and install that water filter is over time, you'll find that the water taste is starting to change a little bit, and that's when you'll want to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is simply open the doors of the refrigerator, remove any product that's in the way, and up on your left-hand side near the top of the refrigerator section, you're going to see a box in the corner, and it's going to have an access door that you're going to want to open up, and that's where you'll find your water filter. Once you have that access door open, you're just going to reach in, turn that water filter in a counterclockwise direction to release it, and pull it out. Installation is just as easy. You'll bring your new filter in, insert it into place, rotate it clockwise until it's seated, and then close that door. And then you'll be able to put any product back in that was in the way, close up your doors, and now we're ready to purge out any air that may be in the line. In changing the water filter, once you remove and insert the new one, which is empty of water, you're going to be introducing some air into the water line system. So it's a good idea to bleed that out. So to bleed the air, we simply need a couple of glasses, and we're just going to run some water, and you'll see that that air comes through. One of the indications you haven't gotten all the air out is that sometimes this will continue to drip even after you've taken the glass away. Some water will still be trickling out. That's a sign there's still air in the system, and you just need to run another glass of water through. And there you go. It's just that easy to replace the water filter in your GE refrigerator.